Anybody else? No one? Alright, good stuff. Alright, we appreciate y'all. Hope you all be out of the game tonight. Go Patriots, every game. Thank you.
Alright, what's that for? So what do I need to write of my numbers out of range if I did 0, 1 to 32?
0.
Alright, so step 5 would be what? So think about what we just did. We haven't talked about thinking about this step. I am writing the randomization process for what? So how many do I need right here? So think about what we did.
Until 11.
And again, the unique thing that can be from here or up there. So I just pulled in table of random digits. So now in the context of this problem, what do I actually do with? What?
Are assigned to
Here, and I'm going to show you different ways we can do this. I have written that treatment 1 is this, that treatment 2 is this. If I didn't, and I wanted to refer to it, I wouldn't have like a shorthand to refer to it. Does that make sense? But because I did it well there, I can just say treatment 1. So theoretically, I'm going through and kind of starting over. But do I need to write all these steps again? No. So what should I say at that point? Which ones? Now, I've already done some of them, so I really don't have to start all the way over. Because it's already saying repeated numbers. Well, that still applies, so that's fine. So these 11 students are assigned what? To treatment 2. And then, what should I write from there?
assign all remaining non-selected students to treatment.
I'm just going to say remaining students. Because if I say selecting, I don't want to get mixed up with selection assignment. Assign remaining 10 students to treatment 3. So this mixed in with this is a giant layout format of, so I guess if you're writing this down, you wouldn't be writing this. I would be writing it as this is our random assignment process. Because I started to write it the other way, but I didn't want to shorthand it. So this, along with all of this, is basically a layout format that you could hand to someone else that they could do the exact process we just did, but they could do it themselves. Does that make sense? So that's the whole process. What we did is today is we're creating this template layout that would work to hand to somebody else to go do it. But as far as we are in this chapter, we don't actually go do it. We just lay it out for somebody else. Yeah. Questions about that? Yeah.
What is number number 3, the TORD.
Table of random digits.
Okay.
So I just chose to do a different randomization process in front of the class instead of sitting here and actually going through a table of random digits. So let's say, I'll do an example here. I want to do 100, no, yeah. 100 cows. I'm trying to think of not doing wording. Feed times. Let's say or once every 3 days. All right, so I want you to, so this is the design of an experiment. And I want you to use, I'm never going to tell you which one to use. Like, you can literally use whatever, but for now, for the sake of it, I want you to use drawing paper as your random selection, random assignment. Like names in a hat kind of thing, because I want to be able to have that conversation again. So I want you right now to do this. You're going to draw the design of the experiment along with writing the randomization process, random assignment process, using the idea of like paper in a hat kind of thing. Ready, go.